Hi everyone, this is Paul Lange from Disciplined Trading Strategies with this week's Trade of the Week video. This is the week ending 5/26, and this was a Tier 1 gap, a very rare event these days on a stock called Amrn. Happened on 5/29, that was on Wednesday. Tier 1 entry, Tier 1 gap, management simple reward to risk about 1.9 to 1. Going to be a fairly simple rundown of this play. Before we do, I'd like to remind you of the free stuff at DTS this week. Monday will be the bi-weekly scanning session. Be sure to be there for that. If you're a DTS member, you will get your invite. If you're not a DTS member, go to the homepage and find the little spot where you can become a DTS member. Then on Thursday, I'll be doing a guest appearance and talking about long-term trading investing. This will be at Investor Inspiration. So even if you are a DTS member, you do need to sign up for this event. You will receive an email sometime during this week to get registered for the event. You can also visit the homepage if you want. Right in the center will be an area to register for Thursday's event. Here is the daily chart of Amrn, and unfortunately this is almost the only chart that matters. The stock gapped right there. I called this the best gap of the year so far. It did perform perfectly throughout the opening morning. The stock gapped right there on the daily chart, and this is what it looked like on a 60-minute chart. This is not really terribly relevant. A little bit of information is gotten from the 60-minute chart, but in this case nothing really new to add to the trade analysis. The 5-minute chart actually totally irrelevant in this case. It's just here because it's part of the format I normally use, and also maybe it's a good point to say it is just totally irrelevant. The entry is based on a Tier 1 type of entry that doesn't revolve off of the chart actually in this particular case. It's a fairly rare concept, but the entry was 1821, stop 1729. The first target was taken at 1889, which was a healthy first target. I played pig on this one. It is the thing to do on these. It didn't work out. As you can see, the stock rallied twice as much. I did not take any at the high. It went all the way to 1960, and I let it go all end of the day, trying to get more, but I eventually trailed it out at 1878, just a little below the first target. So it was still a nice trade, and actually could have got almost twice as much had I played it a little differently. But statistically, it plays out to let these go end of the day. This one didn't hold up into the end of the day. It pulled in. Nevertheless, a very nice play. And the 1-minute chart here, really no information at all. You can see there were alternate entries on this one, but you don't always get those. So the entry here was done during the opening seconds of the day, not even based on a 1-minute chart. The entry is sub 1 minute in this case. For this play and all plays you see in the Trade of the Week videos, you can go to the DTS Trading Room, take a free trial, become a member of the DTS Trading Room where you can play along or use the room for guidance for your own concepts and strategies. Until next time, this is Paul for DTS. Good trading, everybody.